So I just started a new YouTube channel and I have 7 subscribers. And when I looked at that, I started thinking like, oh my God, I only have 7 subscribers. It's so small. It's going to take so long to build this thing. And then I started looking at all of the videos that I did, all of the preparation that I did to even start that YouTube channel, and how great it is that I just started and already I have 7 subscribers. Mind you, I'm like 3 of those subscribers. But the point of the matter is, it made me look at the other YouTube channels that I've started and the other social media that I've started and how much work I've put into it and how much sweat and thought and hours I've put into ideating and editing these YouTube videos and putting a message out there to other creatives about celebrating their wins. And that's what it made me think about, because I work with so many writers and creatives who it doesn't matter where they get to. It doesn't matter if they're in a writer's room. It doesn't matter if they have hundreds of thousands of YouTube subscribers. They always find a way to discredit their past wins. And I think what it's about is that a lot of us writers and creatives, we never learn how to celebrate our wins. We never learned how to celebrate ourselves and the things we've done. We've only learned how to celebrate the milestones that others will validate, the milestones that we know that other people will validate. And the point of the matter is, if we don't ever learn to celebrate our wins, then the goalpost always keeps moving. It means that when I get to 1,000 subscribers, when I get to 100,000 subscribers, when I get to 1,000,000 subscribers, I'm always gonna feel like I didn't do good enough. When I get to the writer's room, when I sell the TV show, when I sell the play, when I sell the book, when I write the book, then I'll be happy. Then it'll be good. Then I can pat myself on the back. But the truth of the matter is, if you don't learn how to celebrate the small wins, if you don't learn how to acknowledge the work and the effort that you've put in, even when you haven't seen the fruits of your labor quite yet, then you'll never celebrate it when that fruit comes to bear. So learn to celebrate yourself right now. Learn to celebrate the work that you've put in, the sweat that you've put in, how much you've grown as a person, how much you've had to overcome even to put yourself out there in the first place. Learn to celebrate that right now, because I promise you, if you don't learn how to celebrate it now, it's not gonna come when the success comes. That habit of not knowing how to acknowledge and celebrate your wins doesn't just come overnight after you hit a certain milestone. That is a practice. Acknowledging and celebrating yourself is an absolute practice that has to start now before the fruits of your labor ever show up. So start now. Start celebrating yourself right now. Look at the evidence around you of what you've accomplished, who you've become, what you've overcome, the sweat, the blood, the tears, the hours, the classes, everything that you've ever done. You did that. And if you don't learn how to celebrate it now, if you don't make it a practice right now, I promise you, it will not just be something that you automatically learn how to do as soon as you hit that milestone finally.